popular dancehall artist Rygin King shot. Guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is the Sauna room where we keep you updated with everything Jamaica and Jamaicans. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely turn on your post notification bell. Dancehall artist Rygin King has been shot, according to the Gleaner. The police have confirmed that dancehall entertainer Rygin King is in hospital where he is being treated for bullet wounds. The severity of his condition is not known at this time. A woman in his company was also shot and has succumbed to her injuries. She has not yet been identified. Investigators could not confirm where the incident happened. So guys, that's the report on Rygin King being shot. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely turn on the post notification bell. This is the Sauna room where we keep you updated with everything Jamaica and Jamaicans.